Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night from wherever you are watching. This is Eliud Mapesa. My channel name is E_Mapesa. I'm seated under a tree in my compound in my village in Kakamega. And as I speak now, I am right within my compound, just relaxing after the day's hard work. And now, there is a video that I showed you about a dog that gave birth to 4 kittens, if that is the right word. And now the mother has walked around and in a way it has come with a young chicken that he has brought to the children. And these are the kitten feeding on a young chicken. As you can see, they are here making that kind of sound. Those are the kitten feeding on a small young chicken which the mother has just brought to them from the field. So mothers all over, whether animals, whether human beings, they really take care of their young ones by feeding them through the milk, through searching outside and bringing them some prey so that they can feed on. And I think that is also one way of training them to fend for themselves when they become big. This is what is happening. The kittens were hid near our water tank, and that is where they stay. If you mistakenly pass there, whether night or day, and the mother is around that place, it will chase you around. It will chase you and even bite you. So this is a small story that I wanted to pass to you. It has actually some weight, and the purpose of this is to show you that mothers always care for their children, whether animals or human beings. That is the lesson that is drawn from what I've just seen when I was seated here and the mother came with a prey for its children. So mothers there, outside there, I salute you. Continue fending for your children so that they grow up energetically. So I'm in the village in western part of Kenya. I came on Saturday last week, and I'll be in this village for some time, for about 2 weeks, but the 2 weeks includes next week that I'll be able to now go back to Nairobi so that I do some other stuff there. Therefore, those of us who have subscribed to this YouTube channel, E_Mapesa, I really thank you so much, and may God continue blessing you in whatever you do. And also kindly ask your friends, your relatives to subscribe to this channel so that we continue bringing you some videos all the time. Thank you. May God bless you abundantly.